My people, matter just reach me now, wey elevate my heart. In fact, until now, I no believe say good people still exist. Businessman wey get work e dey work. My people, they don tell me say this man e go Oshodi under bridge. You know say for that place plenty people dey sleep for that under bridge wey dey no get houses, many people wey dey smoke, many people wey dey drink alcohol, drug abusers, in fact many dey plenty. They say this man now e don take am upon himself say e go dey help these people with food, e dey teach them the word of God, they dey pray together. As in no be small thing, the thing even a shock. Because for this life, at least in the midst of all the wahala wey dey happen, good news still dey. You understand? Abi una no happy? So I don bring am now so that una go see the people wey im don bring together. No, the matter dey too sweet. So abeg join me make we watch the video.
This is Ayomide Isaiah. You are Ayomide Adigun, Ayomide Isaiah. This is Gabriel. That is Fawaz. This is Isaac. And this is Ayomide. Go, the song. And we are having a Bible study.
For una wey no sabi define love, you understand? I don bring una definition. This one no be words. Many people, I love you, I love you, I love you. They know they show am. And to love no be until you date person or person na your family member. This one na the real love. Businessman I no talk say e no get job. I no talk say e no know wetin to do with money. This man now e get family. This man now e get people wey they look up to am, wey dey take care of their school fees and many things, but still see wetin they do. No, una don see am. See, many good people still dey for this world. Rich and wealthy people go pass that place. They pass am every day with their expensive cars, with their luxurious cars. They pass there. But they no care. Nobody even they think that direction. Say, okay, people they there where they never chop. People they there. This one. Even una politicians. They pass that side. Nobody even think, not to talk of say that they come. See, una go open mouth now. They talk plenty things. They criticize this man now. So don't come. Why these Africans una no like good thing? Make una support and now una they criticize them. Wetin una politicians no fit do? One person now don't come do am. This one no be politician. They no right say he get 10 mansions. Una go even dey shocked say the place where this man dey stay, you know, too classy like that. Good heart. Now wetin many people lack for this our time. Now wetin they call Christianity be this? Some people they go just they preach. If they preach, na so spit go just full your face. They go tell you words of this one, book of this one. They go, if they fit even finish Bible 1 hour for you, but they no sabi give. Love is giving. Now wetin be this? So I beg, I just dey hope say all of us they learn from this one. You understand? See, no dey forget people. Because this life we need each other. No dey forget people. How many of una governors fit come outside do this kind of thing? Even una self wey get money, una wey dey live comfortable life, una governor no even dey remember una. Not to talk of people wey dey sleep under bridge. This thing a good example. Now why I bring that? You understand? Now something where all of us suppose learn from. It not just go there with Bible say they preach. See, nowadays nobody want hear Jesus love you. Jesus, yes, he love us. So wetin they try to be say, no be everybody wants start they listen. They not go even hear you. Especially people who never talk, people where they sleep for ground. Who they go preach? We love waiting. He carry food. He think of their necessity first. So make we learn. No be just give your life to Christ. We don't give them. Our life dey with Christ already. So what again can you show people? See, my people. No be until you become a big person before you go help person. Some people, make I just give una secret. Some people for this life, na only smile they need. You go smile to person that day. You no know whether that thing don make the person day. Only smile. Some people dey wey they no even need your money. Treat somebody nice, little kindness. You dey waka for road, you just hello, how you doing? That question alone, you don't understand. So make we make am a habit. It dey very important. Make it be part of our lifestyle. You understand? You don't need to be pastor. You don't need to be anything. Even as a trotro driver or bus conductor or anything una dey call am, you fit still make person smile. You understand? Many people una heart just too strong. You conk like this. Person go enter, all of una. Person go enter on a bus. Maybe remain 20 pesos or 20 naira to complete. Give me my money, or you go tell her make it get down. No, little kindness. I no say make una overdo am for any small thing now. I go dey want make person. No, but at least see use your good heart. It dey very important too. Even me myself, where I dey come here, they tell una this thing. I don't learn. Normally I dey give, but this thing will happen. You don't make me over. You understand? So it dey very very important. If you know say you wan join wetin this man dey do, his name na Ibitoye Ayodele. So if you know say you wan join wetin Ibitoye dey do, you understand? I don give una the name Ibitoye Ayodele. Maybe you wan support wetin dey do. You understand? But if you no fit support am, you no fit reach am. Anywhere where you find yourself, try am. You get see many homeless people and hungry people there everywhere. So your area, you fit start from there. See, just do something nice. It dey very very important. You understand? Now why I bring this matter very very serious. So because no be just una. Now why I say I even involve myself because I don't learn another one. So make everybody smile. Show love to anybody. You fit even start with me, self. You understand? My people, na the matter with this, so now I say make I bring her because this thing is just sparkle my heart. So drop your comment for the comment section. Anyone where you know say you fit do, and if you don't already start dey do am before I even bring this matter, you fit tell us. We go learn from your own. You understand? Yes. And if you never subscribe, it is very important. Make sure say you subscribe so that you no go miss anything when we drop here. Meanwhile, on to our next story. Defend Lagos na the new trending matter wey dey happen now. Everywhere you go, defend Lagos, defend Lagos. My people, this matter now start when I just say many of una dey aware of Occupy Lekki toll gate. After these people bring their own hashtag, say now wetin they go do because they don't plan am, and this Occupy Lekki toll gate can't start because of the reopening of Lekki toll gate. When they say they want open the Lekki toll gate, and now people dey against that thing. Now why they bring up Occupy Lekki toll gate? My people, some people now as they talk to now, they get 5 heads. They say they know they agree with this matter. They no want justice. They no want any investigation make it take place. Like you don't understand, they totally against this Occupy Lekki toll gate matter. Now they don't come outside, come give themselves another hashtag against these people. And this one, they are now defend Lagos. I don't know where to enter these people head. I don't even know where to bring this defend Lagos, defend Lagos. My people, the matter they very serious. Because now, this one no be say Nigeria citizens they fight or they against politicians or Buhari government. This one now, youth against youth. Hi! No be smart. My people now war. This one now war. I don't know what you now they see, but me I they see war. Because this thing no go even bring any positive result. I know myself, and I know this country. It no go bring any positive results. Now, una no see they say they jam una heads together. Una don't blind reach that level. See, una no fit even perceive. Say these people they plan something again. Now why every time Fulani people they laugh una? Now why? Because they no say every time una they jam una. I don't tire. Why una no fit just see? Oh, I wish say una fit just understand. Say some people they plan for this thing to happen. All of una way they defend Lagos. Make una continue. Make una, I no go even dey surprise say all this defend Lagos matter wey we dey hear, Tinubu dey behind am. I no go dey surprise because that man, nothing wey this man no fit do o. Nothing wey this man no fit do. For una to see say these people no mean well. For una to see, first of all, try remember how many blood they shed for that place. Try remember. Oh. Now, nobody won't hear say they close that place. Why una life be like this? Why? Una know the pity for people. Okay, what of those people where their family members don't die? See, we need justice. We need justice. So all these defend Lagos, what they do? I beg, see, make una sit down think where. I don't want to know how much they pay una because definitely I know say money they involve. They don't give una small change now, they una pocket. Now una don't they don't they remote una. Any button where they press una go they operate. Any button where they press una go they operate. Now some money don't make people to set their conscience. Una don't even know una stand again. Now why it good to go school? It good to go school because now as it be now, it is very obvious say now only shallow-minded people no go want justice for this matter. If you go school, you go know say this thing where they happen now, they wrong. But no, money they talk. Money they talk, so the mouth no fit talk again. Make una better rise up. And as for Occupy Lekki Toll Gate, make una no stop. You understand? We must fight for what is rightfully ours. We know they open that place. So if they like, may they raise billions of people, we go still stand by our right. Una no say politicians now, they very happy. Hey! If only una know. Say they celebrate now, they jubilate. You don't know why. Because now their plan don't they work. You understand? Now the thing where they wait for since where one group of youths or one set of youths go there against another set of youths. Because before, remember, now them we they fight. All of us they gather together, we they fight them. Now youth against youth. Now what did they want? Now what did they want? Why una no fit open? See, are they beg una open una eyes? Who be the looters? Una don't forget who we they fight now. Una don't forget them. See, una don't allow una selves now. They use una for their dirty works. Because now things with them themselves they no fit do. They no fit do them. Politicians on their own, they no fit come say by force they go open that place. If you youth stand against them, they no fit. Now why now they don't separate some people and unfortunately una come fall inside those set of people now where they use. It's a pity. It's a pity that now Nigerians are now blind. Some people now they tell me say, Sanwo-Olu they do good job. If they do this one, some people now they praise them. Me, I don't want to side anybody until I see with my own eyes say this man don't they work. Because as it is now, the people are I not fit trust anybody. Anything will happen at any time. Tomorrow now we go here say in the part of those people defend Lagos. Wait till now we can't talk. Now we no fit trust anybody. You understand? I beg all the leaders of defend Lagos. I want to ask you a question. All of una we gather defend Lagos, una even get head. You understand? I beg. Una don't ever come outside. Whenever una hear say police harass person, police beat person, police take money from person, una don't ever come outside say una they can't fight. No. Many of una say we don't even know say una exist. Now we they see some people now I even they see them now they hear their name for the first time. For una to see say they don't give these people money. They don't go come outside talk when things don't they happen. See, make una think this thing 2 times. Now why I come outside here? You understand? Think am 2 times. Because tomorrow now, una go come and say, hey, if I know for do this one. I know. Politicians, we all of us supposed to use force together. Fight them. Fight for our rights. Now, una don't. I just they pray for una. I they pray for una. Say, those una eyes, God go open them. God go open them wide so that una go be able to see the truth where they talk about. Because now, Money na money don blind una eye, but we still dey here and we no dey stop. You understand? No to opening of Lekki toll gate. A very big no. So if you dey with me, if you dey join us, abeg make we join hands together. Nobody is left out. You understand? Last, we all know say na God dey win every time, and God know say we dey fight for our right. Justice must prevail.